Can visual therapy improve your balance? And if you are unsure, how can you actually monitor it? Hi, my name is Johan van Zyl, and today we are going to give you just a couple of pointers and some tips and tricks on what you can do at home to improve your balance. By doing some eye exercises, irrespective of your age and your problem, you will be able to improve your postural stability and your balance. So firstly, head off towards my YouTube channel and look at my eye exercise video. Then, if you have an iPhone, make sure that your health app is activated. Go down to your health app to all health data and look at your walking steadiness, your double support time, and your walking asymmetry. And take some screenshots of those three things. And as you do your visual therapy, all those markers will actually improve. All you need to know is go and do some eye exercises. Look at my eye exercises, the cross one, the sky nose, especially have a look at the Brock string eye exercise. Do some eye exercises. It's going to be 5 or maybe 10 minutes a day maximum. What have you got to lose if you are struggling with your balance? And then make sure you actually activate those apps on your phone. You can use One Step if you're on an Android system, and on the Apple system you just activate your health app. It's got a little heart on, and monitor your improvements.